Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today we're reviewing the Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer SP151 to see whether it's worth buying in 2026. The Ninja Flip SP151 is a premium countertop appliance that combines 8 cooking functions into one compact machine. It can air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, reheat, dehydrate, and cook pizza, all while helping save valuable kitchen space. One of its most impressive features is the unique flip-up storage design. When you're finished cooking, simply flip the oven upright to free up countertop space. It's a smart solution for apartments and smaller kitchens. Despite its compact footprint, this oven offers a generous cooking capacity. It's perfect for preparing family meals, roasting chicken, baking, or cooking your favorite pizza. Thanks to its powerful 1800-watt heating system, the Ninja Flip delivers crispy air-fried food using little to no oil. Enjoy delicious fries, chicken, vegetables, and more with fast, even cooking. Whether you're preparing healthy lunches or cooking dinner for the family, this appliance makes everyday meal preparation quick and convenient. From healthy vegetables to perfectly cooked chicken, the Ninja Flip helps you prepare delicious meals while keeping your kitchen organized. If you're looking for a versatile countertop appliance that combines excellent cooking performance with a clever space-saving design, the Ninja Flip SP151 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Like, subscribe, and find today's Amazon link and full review in the description. See you next time.